Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to season and fry beef so it comes out tender on the inside and nice and flavorful on the outside. This method works for stew, fried rice, jollof, sauce and even for snacking. It tastes so good, so all you have to do is to watch the video to the end and you're going to love it. Wear your apron and let's get into it. I'm starting with my clean beef, already washed and cut into medium-sized strips. You can cut yours into thin if you want it to fry faster or slightly bigger if you want it juicy. Try to keep the pieces similar in size so they cook evenly. Now it's time to season. I'm adding some blended garlic, ginger and some onions. This will help the beef taste really good and also bring a very nice aroma. And so I'm going to add a bit of star anise seed, rosemary, coriander seed, and also I will never forget to add in some aromat or spice blend. It's very important. And one more thing, we're going to go in with the star of the show, which is also the aromat bouillon tablet. Trust me, all the seasoning coming together will elevate the taste and you're going to love it. Next, I'll add in some salt to taste, and which is very important. Always adjust to your taste. Next, I'll use a clean hands, or you can use a spoon, just the way you see it on your screen right now, to mix everything well so every piece gets coated. This time here, because good seasoning is the foundation, if you have time, allow it to marinate for at least 10 to 20 minutes. Is very important. If not, you can cook it immediately. Just know marinating always gives better taste. So let's set us aside and allow it to marinate for approximately 30 to 40 minutes, and from there we're going to proceed to our next stage. Alright, so we move forward to the steaming process because I've already marinated it. So as you can see, it's cooking very nicely and it's becoming very juicy. We're going to give it a quick stir, cover and allow it to steam gently on medium heat again. This helps soften the meat before frying. We don't want to rush this process. Take your time and steam your beef very well. Okay. Whilst that is going on, I want to use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always liking my videos, sharing and also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so we are back to check on the meat and it's looking all good. So as it cooks, you will notice the liquid reducing and the beef turning brown. Stir from time to time and allow the seasoning to build flavor. When the water finally reduces and the meat is tender, then it's time for the next step. Yes. So in a separate pan, I'll heat up a bit of oil. Once the oil is hot, add your steamed beef. Do not overcrowd it, it's very important. Fry in batches if you need to. Allow it to fry until golden brown on the edges. Remember, the goal is to fry and not burn it. So control your heat. It's very important because the heat also contributes a lot in the frying process. Now let's fry until everything is nice and ready. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet, and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Now our beef is coming together very nicely and that's what I am looking for. It's time to remove it. So once fried to your liking, remove and drain any excess oil. taste one piece if you like, and that's what I did. Because trust me, I can't be frying this your malicious beef without taking a bite. So I needed to. Yes, that's the chef's privilege, you know, right? And that is it. Our seasoned fried beef is ready. This can go straight into fried rice, noodles, sauce, stews, or as topping for salad. You can even snack it just like that. So when we order, and in my case, I use it for zongo stew, and trust me, everybody love it. They loved how it wasn't too hard and not too soft as was I am famous, and it was super good. Try it and thank me later. If you try this method, you will realize your beef stays tasty and tender every single time. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more recipes. See you in my next upload. Bye.